How's it going, Precalc kids? Today we are looking at 5.6, the law of cosines. Okay, it's another law to put into our book. Let's just get to it. It's only 4 slides. It's going to be a quick one. Let triangle ABC be any triangle labeled in the usual way. And what they mean by that is you have a triangle. If that's big A, that's little a. If this is big B, this is little b. And if this is big C, this is little c. Okay? If you have a triangle, then a squared equals b squared plus c squared. That looks familiar, right? But this isn't a right triangle. That's why you have to subtract 2 times b times c cosine of a. Some things I want you to notice. The side it's equal to is opposite the angle you're going to use in this formula, guys. And then you use b and c for all the other things, the sides that are not involved. Okay. This formula looks rough, but it's actually pretty easy to memorize because it's, a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2 times both the sides you had together. The only crazy thing is that cosine of a. Okay. This is used. You didn't realize, but now it's all noteworthy, guys. This is used if you're given a triangle and you have a side, angle, side. Okay, so you have an Oreo, you have a sandwich, you have an angle sandwich between 2 sides. Because you can't use law of sine on this one, so you have to use law of cosine. Okay. So again, on your test, it won't tell you which one to use. If you see side, angle, side, it's law of cosine. Let's try one. Given a triangle, ABC, it's easiest 1, 2, 3. ABC. Again, this will be little a, little c, little b. Okay, so b is 4, right? Okay, got that. It says A is 10. And angle C is 25 degrees. See how we have that side, angle, side? Can't use law of sines. Gotta use law of cosine. Okay. So you gotta go with the one. We know angle C, right? So let's try to find this guy first. So we set it up. We're looking for C. So C squared equals, well, our a squared plus b squared, which a was 10, b is 4, minus 2 times, well, these 2 numbers we used again, 10 times 4. Okay. All that times cosine of our a. Sorry, I didn't label these ones. And a was, not a, c. That was 25 degrees. Okay. So we get 116 minus 80 cosine of 25. Plug that in your calculator. I'll plug in my calculator. Let's see what we got here. 116 minus 80 times cosine of 25 equals, well, c squared equals about 43.495. So c equals, square root both sides, 6.6. Ta-da! Now here's the trick for you guys. You really only need to use law of cosines ever once, because now we can use law of sines. You can go sine of 25 over 6.6 equals sine of a over 10 equals sine of b over 4. Okay? But we aren't going to do it that way. because I want to show you law of cosines again. Just one more time. Let's say we were looking for angle A. Okay? So now I'm going to set my a squared, which is 10 squared, equals b squared plus c squared. Oops. Our b was 4, plus c was 6.6, minus 2 times bc, which again we already know our b is 4, our c is 6.6, times cosine of a. Right? Right. Okay, so I get 100 equals 16 plus, I should know, 43.495. It's right here. Minus 52.8. Eraser time. Eraser time. Cosine of A. Okay, let's do some more math. This is actually what? 59.495. Okay, we're going to subtract that from each side. And get what? 40.505 equals negative 52.8 cosine of A, right? Right. Now we're going to divide by negative 52.8. You get negative 0.767 equals cosine of A. Then we arc cosine both sides. And you get A, there's about 140 degrees. Phew. So now how do we find B? Well, it's going to be 180 minus 140 minus 25, which is 4, it's just 15 degrees, guys. So that was the easy one to find out. Okay, that's all there is to it. The hardest part is just plugging in the numbers into the formula. Okay. Forward. Here's a shortcut to find the area of a triangle if they give you side, angle, side, just like we were talking about before. So let's find the area of ABC. Well, we're given, all you do is go 1/2 the two sides, you know, times sine the angle. So you go 1/2, 10 times 4. By the way, if you didn't put this in your notes, you're a darn fool. Go back and do it. Put this in your notes too. Put this formula. 1/2, 10 times 4 times sine of 25. And just plug in your calculator, guys. Well, 5 times 4, 20. So the area of that triangle actually was 8.45 units squared. That's where I'm actually going to end it. There's another triangle formula in it, but to be honest, it doesn't come up that often. Okay? So that's it.